Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Stellar XLM. This video going to be very special for all of you. In this video we talk about the Stellar XLM coin, what's the price change goes in Stellar XLM, what's the high price and what is the current status of Stellar XLM at this time. So friends, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. As you can see here friends, the last one day price predictions of the Stellar XLM you are watching now on the screen friends, that is the last one day price change occur in the Stellar XLM. If we look the average change occur in Stellar XLM, so the average change as negative 6.67% change occur false occur in the Stellar XLM in the last one day friends. Now if we look about the high price of the Stellar XLM, so the high price is about $0.68816 USD dollar is the high price of XLM coin in the last 1 hour friends. If you look the graph of the XLM coins, so you can see here continuously falls occur in a Stellar XLM and the previous last 4 hours. You can see here that is a 4 hour change, and now after that they again start jumping and again falls down, and now again, and now I think it's a really bad news for you, but I'm sorry to say that, but it's the reality of Stellar XLM coin. They are again falling down its trend. Now friends, for more details, let's see the last 4 hour price prediction, what's the change goes and the previous last 4 hour friends. As you can see here, the last 4 hour price prediction is also in the fast currently, but the previous period they take a jump, that is why the changes is in positive. Positive 0.12% change occur in the XLM in the last 4 hour. Same like that, the high price of the XLM coin is $0.645384 USD dollar is the high price of XLM coin friends. And now friends, as you can see here, that is the last one day price prediction, last 4 hour price prediction. So according to the price predictions of the last one day, my suggestion for all of you, that as you can see here, that's a procedure, that's a continuously phenomena of the Stellar XLM, that after a fast they start jumping. As you can see here, if you look the last one day price prediction, so the last one day price prediction also tell us that that's a phenomena of every cryptocurrency. As you can see here, after a fast you have to take a jump. As you can see here, and this time they fast, and after this time they take a jump, you have to take a jump. So same like that, currently this time they fast down, so maybe they goes upward in the future, so maybe there is a chances today they grows up in the future. For more details, we have to look the last 7 day price prediction. Let's check it out, the last 7 day price prediction, which the change goes in the last 7 day. So friends, as I told you in the start of this video, that after a fast you have to take a jump. That is a simple phenomena of Stellar XLM. You have to understand this phenomena. As you can see here, at this time they fast down. As you can see here, fast down, and after a fast they take a jump. As you can see here, after a fast they take a jump, and the jump is higher than the fast. As you can see, that is the average level of fast, and now currently the jump level is high level. Same like that, they again fast down, and after again they take a jump. So my suggestion for all of you, that please hold your XLM coin, because the future, the high jump are coming soon in the future of XLM coin, that will make you a rich man. So please hold it. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.